Huda Beauty has come out with a beautiful electric lilac collection. I am so thrilled to show you how I'm going to use these brand new 3 products together with a lot of the Huda Beauty products that I use already. I'm starting out with the Easy Blur Primer. I'm blending this with a kabuki, and then I'm going to follow with the Easy Blur Foundation, and I use shade Cheesecake. I noticed that when I used this for the first few times, I was doing it wrong. You do need to use a lot more primer than you think to make this have that no filter beautiful look. And I'll blend this out with the Mint Pear Flat Top Kabuki as well. Next, I'm going under with the color corrector in Cherry Blossom, and I'm using the mini kabuki to blend that out. And next, I'm going to apply the Faux Filter Concealer. I'm in shade Cotton Candy, and again, blending that out with the mini kabuki. Next, I'm going to show you how to set all that under eye makeup with the brand new Oube Birthday Cake Easy Bake. This is electric lilac. This is such a beautiful purple lilac color in real life. I'm packing this on because I want to see the power that this can have, and then I'm setting the rest of my face with Pound Cake Easy Bake. And then I'm going to let that set and just brush that off. I'm going to use my Anastasia bronzer. And next from the collection is the blush filter. This is in shade Oube Cream. Look at this beautiful pink. Oh my goodness, I'm so obsessed. Look at this, it's so gorgeous. I love it so much that I want to actually try this as eyeshadow as well. So I like to try products and see if I can use them in multiple different ways. And I think it worked quite well. I'm using the Huda liquid eyeliner in brown and one Coat Mascara by Huda as well. Of course, we're going to top this off with Huda Beauty lips as well. Lining with the deep rose, and then I'm just going to go straight in with the Ooh Baby Faux Filler Lip Gloss, which I love this color. And this is the complete look. Look how easy and simple this was. I love that I was able to use this as eyeshadow as well. And my favorite layering right now is the Bougie Marshmallow topped off with Vanilla Candy Rock Sugar. Let me know what you think of this look and these new products. And if you haven't yet, make sure that you subscribe to my channel so that you can see more fun makeup tutorials and beauty advice. I love you and have a great day.